Do you know that anyone's post on your profile timeline can be seen by others? Friends' posts, tagged content, or random activity can expose your profile without you realizing it. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to control who can see what others post on your Facebook profile in less than 60 seconds. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where we help you master Facebook privacy, security settings, and profile control like a pro. In this video, you'll learn how to hide other people's posts from your timeline and fully customize who can see them. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open your Facebook mobile app. Step 2. Open menu. Tap the three-dot menu icon. Step 3. Go to Settings. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Step 4. Open Audience and Visibility. Scroll down and tap Audience and Visibility. Step 5. Open Profile and Tagging. Tap Profile and Tagging. Before we begin, subscribe to Preyo Phonie. Like this video, turn on notifications so you never miss important Facebook privacy updates. Step 6. Control timeline visibility. Now tap Who can see what others post on your profile. Here you can choose Only me, nobody else can see it. Friends, only your friends can see it. Friends accept. Hide from specific people. Specific friends, allow selected users only. Select the option that fits your privacy needs. Step 7. Save changes. After choosing your option, tap Save. Boom! Your Facebook timeline privacy is now successfully updated. Why this setting matters. This feature helps you protect your personal profile, hide unwanted public posts, control timeline visibility, avoid embarrassing content, maintain professional appearance. Now you know exactly how to control who can see others' posts on your Facebook profile in 2026. If this guide helped you, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because on this channel, we don't guess settings, we master them. See you in the next privacy tutorial.